For today's video mga kabiyong corners, narito ang latest sa mundo ng beauty pageant. Another candidate handang magpuksaan at magbardagulan. Newly appointed during sashing ceremony, Miss Chelsea Fernandez, Miss Universe Philippines 2025 Sultan Kudarat. Si Chelsea ay may edad 25 taong gulang. Nagtapos as Communication major in broadcasting. Si Chelsea ay veterana na rin pagdating sa pageantry as she was Miss Silka Lady 2016, Miss Tacloban 2017, Reina Aliwan 2018, Miss Philippines Water 2019. Winner din si Chelsea, Miss Bikini Philippines 2020 at naging National Director for Miss Fit Philippines in 2021. She was also crowned Binibining Pilipinas Globe 2022. Si Chelsea Fernandez na kaya ang susunod na maging Miss Universe Philippines 2025?
Go!
Chelsea Fernandez, Miss Universe Philippines Sultan Kudarat! We all know what happened to her during her reign, but she really stood up and showed everyone how strong she is. It's really sad that a lot of people just forget all of her achievements and all of the advocacies that she was championing, but she really showed that she is really brave, and despite all of the doubts that were thrown to her, she really stood out and showed that I am the real Miss Universe.
Mga Bioconeras, don't forget to hit the notification bell para updated kayo lagi sa aming mga bagong videos.